Oh, hello, my dear friends. Ah, you look very, very cool. So, today we're drawing. Yes, you heard me right. Okay, first we have to start with something. Follow me if you want to. Subscribe if you want more videos like my Roblox and things. Okay. If you wanna draw a bird, follow my instructions. First, draw it like this. Okay, do it. Okay, good. Now draw the head like this. It's like can you? But it's like this, but only like this. See? Yes. It's just reverse. Okay, you have done it. Now draw a line like this. It's like a duck. You see? Like an O. But you see? This is an O, yeah? This looks like an O. And now we do it like this, and you will get like that. Yes. Okay, done it. Let's make now like this. Yes. Okay, now like this. Okay. And now we have to have orange. Yes. Okay, now we draw this long like mine, but a little bit longer. See? It's a pretty bird. But wait. Where is it nice? Draw it like whoa. Now use dark gray and color it. Yes, color it. You can make it on a paper too. Comment if you want me to do a tutorial how to do a cat. Okay, I'm going to sing Baby Shark Doo-doo-doo-doo. Baby Shark Doo-doo-doo. You know why I'm singing? Because it's all for you guys. It's all for you. Yes, you really cool. And I'm gonna sing while I'm actually drawing. Baby Shark Doo-doo-doo. Baby Shark Doo-doo-doo. Baby Shark Doo-doo-doo. Baby Shark. Mommy Shark Doo-doo. Mommy Shark Doo-doo. Mommy Shark Doo-doo. Mommy Shark. Daddy Shark Doo-doo. Daddy Shark Doo-doo. Daddy Shark Doo-doo. Daddy Shark. Grandma Shark Doo-doo. Grandma Shark Doo-doo. Grandma Shark Doo-doo. Grandma Shark Doo-doo. Okay, look. I'm finished. What am I missing? This it? I see it. It's this. Now color it orange. This looks very cool. This is so cool. Here you go. Ta-da! And it's a nice little cute bird. But we can make it better. Look. That's a little bit cool. But wait. You see all this? Let's make it a little bit. Yes. Let's make a house and everything. First, we have to do it like this. But there's no house. So beep. get your green and you can draw, but I can fill up because this is like game. Now if you wanna make it more cool, look, we see it's like real grass, but it doesn't see. So yeah, that's the point. You can't really see that it's really cool. You could actually show this to your friends if you want to. Okay, now we draw a house. Let's make a square. This is kinda... Yes, this is good. And make sure it doesn't go to the grass because our homes don't go into the grass. Okay. Now, do you see anything? No, it's just a box. Now, if you want a house, let's make it this and this. Yes. Now, we draw another ones and a home. And if you already made this, let's like this and like this, like a plus. Okay, another one and another plus. Yes. Okay, and now you can make a mini house. You could color it if you want to. Look, and you could do clouds. Yes, because it's really cool making clouds. See, I'm not really good at making, so it's for you guys. Yes. Look, it looks really good. But wait, I have to make a sun. Yes, you can make it like this. Pum, pum, pum. Or you could make it in a sky. Yes. Boom. And maybe like this. Yay! You made a sun. But wait. There's not so many colors. What should we do? Let's think together. I know. Let's color the house. Because if you watch how your house looks, it has colors. So now we can just color out the house. I'm gonna color it like this because see, I'm on a phone. Look! Really cool house. Now we can make this one. You can choose your color. I will make it red. And now we can make it like bricks. You know how bricks look like? No? Okay, bricks looks like this, something like this. Yes, something like that, I think. So, I'm gonna make it out of bricks. I don't really know how to draw bricks, so yes, my house isn't very cool. But your house is gonna be really cool. If you wanna add details, you could make it like this. Beep, beep. Use the color gray again, and whee! See? This looks really nice. Now the door. I think the door should be like the same color as this, but maybe dark. Yes, it's really good. Now we colored. Now we have to color the windows, don't we? Yes, the windows would be colored, but first you have to color this one too. Do you remember this? Yes. Ta-da! Now we color up the windows. Bum, 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 bum. And you have a cute little house. And you could add details. Details means like more things. See? These are bushes. Oh, look. Oh, they're so cool. But now take red and oh, look, you could eat from them. I'm joking, not like eat it. So okay, this is really cool. But you could actually make the sun look more cool. You wanna know how? Take this color and now make it like this. That's enough. Look, the sun is really cool. Yeah. Yes, this is a kid's content. Look, now the sun is shining pretty. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.